Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So we're asked to factor, I kind of took away the actual instruction, but we're asked to factor this expression. Now, when you look at this, we notice the extra set of brackets going on here. First thing you'd want to check is the expression in each set of brackets the same? And it is not. So we are going to replace what's in the brackets, but we'll have to use two different variables. So if we let's say what's in the first set of brackets equal, I don't know, I'm going to use x because it's a different variable than a, b, and c. And then for the second one, I'm going to use y. So essentially, I'm letting x equal a plus b plus c, and I'm letting y equal a minus b plus c. All right, now we're going to rewrite that with that subbed in. So we'd have 9x squared minus 4y squared. Okay, and then when you look at it, you go, oh, that's an easy kind of factoring. We got two terms. They're both perfect squares, and there's a minus sign in between. So therefore, we can do difference of squares. So two sets of brackets. You square root that first term. So 3x, and that goes in the first position of both brackets. Square root the second term, square root of 4, 2, square root of y squared, y, and that goes in the second position. And then we want to have opposite signs, doesn't matter the order, plus and minus or minus and plus. And there we go. Now that's factored. However, our original question didn't have x and y, it had a, b, and c. So now we are going to replace, I'm going to do this in a different color, we're going to replace x with what x equaled, and we're going to replace y with what y was equal to, what we decided initially. Okay, I'd probably use square brackets to replace those round brackets around it, and then go 3. Now we use round brackets to replace the x with a plus b plus c, and then we have plus 2, and then y is replaced with, so bracket, a minus b plus c, and bracket and the square bracket, and then start the new bracket, this one here. So we have a 3, replace the x, a plus b plus c, minus 2, replace the y, a minus b plus c, and then end the brackets. All right, now we have some cleaning up to do. We want to drop those round brackets inside there by multiplying things through. So we would have 3a plus 3b plus 3c. That takes care of that multiplying, plus, and now we multiply the 2 through, 2a minus 2b plus 2c. All right, next set of brackets, same idea, 3a plus 3b plus 3c, minus, now when you multiply this minus 2 through, do not think of it as multiplying 2 through. Think of it as multiplying negative 2 through. That way the signs will all end up the proper way. So negative 2 times positive a would be negative 2a. Negative 2 times negative b would be positive 2b. And then finally minus 2c. All right, now we collect like terms inside the brackets. Just follow BEDMAS really inside the brackets here. 3a plus 2a is going to be 5a. That gets rid of those. 3b minus 2b is going to be 1b. So that gets rid of those two, and then 3c plus 2c, so plus 5c. All right, next set of brackets, same idea. We would end up with a plus 5b, and then plus c. All right, now let's look at what's in the brackets. Is there anything we can factor out? No, nothing in common for all three terms for each one. So there we go. That should be our final answer. Nicely factored. And yeah, I left it with square brackets, but you can write it with round brackets. Not a big deal. Alrighty, I hope that helped.